Students, today we are going to discuss about the formation methods of aniline. In unit nitrogen containing organic compounds. The formula of aniline is C6H5NH2. It is a aromatic amine. In previous class we studied their lab method. Today we are going to the formation methods of aniline with the help of their chemical reaction. So first we start from phenol. Formula of phenol is C6H5OH. When phenol is heated with ammonia in the presence of unhydrated ZnCl2, zinc chloride, at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, then it makes aniline. Reaction is given as phenol C6H5OH and formula of ammonia is NH3. Also write it HNH2. In the presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, it subtracted water H2 to form C6CH5NH2. C6H5NH2. It is known as aniline and subtracted water H2. This reaction is also shown in their structural formula. Phenol react with ammonia in the presence of anhydrated zinc chloride at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. It subtracted water molecule to form aniline. So it is an also conversion based reaction. How do you obtain aniline from phenol? Now another method for the preparation of aniline from chlorobenzene. Formula of chlorobenzene is C6H5Cl. It reacts with ammonia and cuprous oxide. C6H5Cl plus ammonia NH3 and cuprous oxide Cu2O at 200 degrees Celsius temperature and higher pressure. It gives amine, aromatic amine C6H5NH2 and subtracted CuCl and water H2 for valency 2 and 2. In this reaction, cuprous oxide is subtracted cupric chloride CuCl This reaction is also shown in their structural formula. C6CH5Cl is known as chlorobenzene. It reacts with twice molecule of ammonia and cuprous oxide Cu2 as a catalyst. 200 degree Celsius temperature and higher pressure. It gives aniline C6CH5NH2 is in the structural formula of aniline and subtracted CuCl and water H2. Now next method is most important chemical reaction. It is also known as the nomination reaction. Half moles hypobromite reaction. According to this reaction, an aromatic compound named benzenamide. Its formula is C6H5CONH2. React with caustic potash and bromine. So formula of bromine is Br2 and formula of caustic potash is KOH. After reaction, it makes aniline C6H5NH2 and subtracted potassium carbonate K2CO3 and potassium bromide KBr with water H2. For balancing 2, because 2 bromine atoms are available. Now number of potassium atoms are 2 into 4. So here we take 4. And now for balancing hydrogen we use 2. This reaction is known as Half-Mole's hypobromite reaction. Also this reaction is shown in their structural formula. Formula of benzenamide is CONH2. It reacts with bromine Br2 plus caustic potash KOH to form aniline C6H5NH2 are also shown in their structural formula and subtracted K2CO3 potassium carbonate potassium bromide KBr plus water molecule H2. Now last method is most important for you. It is an industrial preparation method. Industrial preparation method. Of aniline C6CH5NH2. It is also known as from nitrobenzene. The formula of nitrobenzene is C6H5NO2. It reacts with iron and hydrochloric acid. So C6H5NO2 react with iron Fe and hydrochloric acid HCl. Then it makes C6CH5NH2 aniline and subtracted ferric chloride FeCl3 and hydrogen oxygen make water molecule H2O. This reaction is known as their industrial preparation reaction. Now also shown in the structural formula, nitrobenzene react with iron and HCl to make aniline, C6CH5NH2 plus FeCl3 plus H2. This is the formula of aniline. Students, so here we completed all preparation methods of aniline. Now we discussed about the properties of aniline. Now we discussed about properties of aniline. First we discussed about their physical properties. It is colorless. Students, you know that the pure form of aniline is colorless, but when it reacts with air, or we say that when it is oxidized in air, then it gives a brown color. Its physical state is liquid. Now third point, its boiling point BPT is near about 184 degrees Celsius. Now another point, it is insoluble in water. But soluble in alcohols, ethers, or organic solvent. So these are the important physical properties of aniline. Now we discussed about their chemical properties. In chemical properties, we studied their chemical reactions. Of aniline, C6H5NH2. First we discussed about the basic nature of aniline with the help of their chemical reaction. Also with this property says that reaction with acids. Reaction with acids. Also this reaction says that the basic nature of aniline. Here we take two acids like as a hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Aniline C6H5 NH2 react with hydrochloric acid HCl to make their additional product C6H5NH2 HCl. It is known as aniline hydrochloride. We also give its structural formula. NH2 plus HCl gives NH2 HCl. Now another reaction with sulfuric acid H2SO4. Reaction with sulfuric acid H2SO4. It also gives their addition product. Formula of aniline is C6H5NH2. It reacts with H2SO4 to gives C6H5 whole taken to H2SO4. It is known as aniline C6CH5 NH2 H2SO4 NH2 whole taken to and H2SO4. So it is known as aniline hydrosulfate. Now in their structural formula C6CH5NH2, the structure of aniline react with sulfuric acid H2SO4 to form NH2 whole taken 2 and H2SO4. Students, in other class we discussed about some other chemical reactions of aniline with the help of their chemical reactions.